Welcome to lesson 15 of web design. In this lesson we are going to look at HTML links and in particular links attributes. Let us quickly look at the reference list and look at the links attributes. If we look at the anchor tag, which explains to us that it has to put a hyperlink into the page, into the web page, we have the opening tag as well as the closing tag, and in particular what we're going to concentrate on is this particular attribute. Href, which stands for href, is equal to URL. Now remember, all attributes must be in the opening tag of any HTML element. There are other attributes, but we are not going to look into them at this moment. So just to recap, we have our opening tag, href, which is the attribute, is equal to, and within double quotes is the URL, which stands for Uniform Resource Locator, and as discussed earlier in the lessons, that this is basically the address of a web page or a video clip or an image that can be found somewhere. We close the opening tag. Thereafter we have the hypertext or the hotspot, and thereafter we have the closing anchor tag. Let us look at an example where we are going to use a hyperlink. This is called program HTML link example 1. We have our HTML element, we have our head element. Our title of the web page is example of a link. In our body we have the opening anchor tag, we have the href, which is the attribute of the anchor tag, is equal to, and then we have the uniform resource locator or URL. Remember, it is between double quotes. We always close the opening tag. A link to Yahoo is the hyperlink or the hotspot, and thereafter we have the closing anchor tag. Let us quickly run this program. There we go. We have designed this web page and I have put in a hyperlink. Note, any hyperlink, if you move the mouse pointer over it, hover over it, the pointer will change to a pointing hand. And when we click on this hyperlink, you will find that it must or it should open up to Yahoo. Unfortunately, it's not working at this particular time. Let's run the program again and try it one more time. There we go. So this is my Yahoo link that I've created in my web page.